Welcome back to My Vision Express setup with Physician Resource in-house screen. We're going to now talk about the Details tab. The Details tab contains the following fields. Location, select the main location for a physician or resource. Single location, check this box if the location specified is the only location or the physician or resource. Pre-appoint. For physicians that want to use pre-appointments, check the pre-appoint checkbox. And the other fields with taxonomy, UPIN, Medicare, Medicaid, state license, Blue Cross, VSP, Plan Network, EIN, SSN, Champus, Commercial, Location Number. Each of these fields will be available as a referring ID number in the insurance module under the referring provider when generating claims. The NPI number will also be used on claims and will be printed on prescription forms. Lastly, there is an e-prescribe checkbox. If the physician subscribes to the My Vision Express e-prescribing interface, make sure that the e-prescribe checkbox is checked. The Availability tab allows you to specify the times when a physician or resource is available for any service, available for a specific service, or not available at all. Click on a time slot that is not closed. The physician's availability settings screen will appear. Specify the general availability, available, not available, or specific service offered for the physician during the time slot specified. The Availability Exceptions tab. The Availability Exceptions tab allows you to configure an exception to the schedule specified in the Availability tab. To create an availability exception, click Add to open the Availability Exceptions screen. Select the start time and either the end time or the duration of the exception in the Exception Time panel. To set a date range for the recurrence, fill in the Start Date field in the Range of Recurrence panel. If the recurrence will repeat indefinitely, make sure that the No End Date radio button is selected. If the recurrence will end on a specific date, click the End By radio button and fill in the date. To set a pattern for the recurrence, select the appropriate radio button in the Recurrence Pattern panel. If the exception will recur the same day every month, click the Day radio button. Enter the numerical day of the month when this will happen. Or, the same day on a given week every month, click the radio button in the middle and select the week and day from the drop-down lists. The same day of the week every certain number of weeks, select the Week radio button and enter the number of weeks between recurrences. Select the day of the week from the radio buttons below. Select whether the exception will make the physician or resource available or not available from the radio buttons to the right. And enter an exception reason to be displayed on the time slots affected by this exception. Click OK to save your changes or Cancel to disregard them. Click Save and Close on the main application toolbar when you are finished making changes to the Physician Resource in-house setup screen. And that concludes our video for physician setup and resources. Thank you for watching.